Your Apple TV just got a serious upgrade, and no, this isn't just another small update you can ignore. The latest software version, tvOS 26.4, quietly brings some big changes that actually improve how you watch, browse, and experience content every single day. Let's start with something you might notice right away: the cleanup. Apple has officially removed the old iTunes Movies and iTunes TV Shows apps. If you've been around for a while, you'll remember these, but honestly, they haven't been useful for quite some time. Apple has been slowly pushing everything into the main Apple TV app, and now that transition is finally complete. It makes things simpler, less cluttered, and more focused in one place. But not everything is about removing features. Some long-awaited improvements are finally here. One of the most underrated upgrades in this update is subtitles. It might sound small, but if you watch a lot of content, you'll appreciate this instantly. You now get multiple subtitle styles like larger text, outlined fonts, and even transparent backgrounds so the text doesn't block what you're watching. And if that's not enough, you can fully customize your own style, adjust the font, color, size, and even the background opacity. It's a huge win for accessibility and just overall comfort. Now let's talk about audio, because this is where things get a bit more technical, but also more important. Apple has improved how your Apple TV communicates with speakers and sound systems, especially through HDMI. There's a new setting designed to fix compatibility issues, particularly with setups like soundbars or home theater systems. The goal is simple: smoother audio transitions, fewer glitches, and a more consistent listening experience. If you've ever had random audio dropouts or syncing issues, this update is likely going to fix that. For sports fans, especially Formula One fans, this update is a big deal. You can now follow races directly inside the Apple TV app. No more jumping between apps trying to figure out schedules or streams. Everything is centralized, and you can even use voice commands to get updates instantly. It's faster, cleaner, and way more convenient. Another feature that really changes how you discover content is something called Genius Browse. Think of it as a smarter recommendation system. Instead of just showing random suggestions, it organizes content based on moods and themes, like feel-good comedies or intense thrillers. It pulls from multiple streaming platforms to help you find something worth watching without endlessly scrolling. It's not perfect yet, but it's definitely a step toward a more personalized viewing experience. You'll also notice that the app feels more alive. Autoplay previews now appear in more areas, not just at the top of the screen. As you scroll, trailers start playing automatically, helping you decide what to watch without clicking into every single title. It saves time and makes browsing feel more interactive. There's also something interesting happening behind the scenes. Developers have found hints of future features, including video support for CarPlay. The idea is that you could watch content on your car's screen when parked. It's not fully available yet, but it shows where Apple is heading, bringing entertainment into more parts of your daily life. And if you've been dealing with bugs or streaming issues recently, here's the good news. This update fixes a lot of them. During earlier versions, apps like Netflix and others had problems like freezing, buffering, or even black screens. Those issues have now been addressed, making the overall experience much smoother and more reliable. Finally, beyond all the features, there's one more important reason to update: security. This version includes multiple patches that fix vulnerabilities and protect your device from potential threats. Even if you don't care about new features, staying updated keeps your data safe. So overall, tvOS 26.4 isn't just a minor update, it's a solid step forward. It cleans up the past, improves everyday usability, and quietly sets the stage for what's coming next. And if this is just a glimpse of what Apple is preparing, the next big update might be even more exciting.